I tried Satochip wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first tried the Satochip wallet, I wasn't sure what to expect. It's not your typical app-based wallet, it's a hardware card, like a bank card, designed for cold storage security. After using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Satochip proves hardware security doesn't have to be bulky, expensive or complicated. On day 1, I activated the Satochip card using its companion software. Setup took just a few minutes. You initialize the chip, set a PIN, and link it with your computer or phone. Instantly, it felt secure and professional, like a hardware wallet shrunk down into something the size of a credit card. By day 2, I was transferring Bitcoin and Ethereum. Transactions required PIN authorization directly through the card, ensuring nothing could move without my approval. Most people get this wrong. They assume hardware wallets must be intimidating or overly technical, but Satochip made it simple enough for anyone to use. Midweek, I explored its compatibility. Satochip integrates with Electrum, Mi Other Wallet, and even its own Satodim system for NFTs and smart assets. It's impressive how versatile it is for such a small device. By day 5, I tested security features. Everything from private keys to transaction data stays locked inside the chip. Even if someone stole my computer, they can't access my crypto without the card and my PIN. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. Satochip brings true security without the learning curve of other hardware wallets. It's portable, affordable, and genuinely protective. If you've ever wanted hardware-level crypto protection that fits in your pocket, Satochip might be your best option yet.